4. A of the relative clause.
細骨予細字 A， 我的冊
Equals my book. This A is the possessive A. Lesson 4.
細骨予細字 B， 這是伊寫的字。
These are the characters that he wrote. This A is somewhat similar to the possessive A, but is preceded by a clause, not by a simple noun or pronoun. We may call the A in B the A of the relative clause, because we frequently translate the whole expression into English by the use of a relative clause. Thus in B above, these are the characters that he wrote. We might translate it somewhat literally as, these are the he wrote characters. Note well, the verb before A in a relative clause does not change tone.
細骨予細字 C， 伊在看的冊，我嘛愛看。細骨予細字 D， 迄是恁老師予我的冊。
Note: the tones on h³--ōe³, see Lesson 4, page 85.
5. 來伫，去伫。
Adding d to lie or ki means that one is in a place over some period of time. If speaking of present circumstances, then lie d or ki d means that the subject is still in the place mentioned.
細骨予細字 A， 伊來伫遮。
He came here and is still here.
細骨予細字 B， 王先生有去伫你遐無？
Did Mr. Ong go to your house? And is he still there? Contrast B with C.
細骨予細字 C， 黃先生有去你遐無？
Did Mr. Ng go to your house? This makes no reference to whether he is still there.